All right, guys, so today we're gonna be replacing the fuel pump on this thing. And we're gonna be replacing it with a Delphi fuel pump. Here's the fuel pump itself. Whoa. Here's the fuel pump. Comes with all this stuff here to replace seals and stuff in the tank. Let me show you guys. So you have to remove the trunk area here and access the connector that's right here, and that connector goes inside the car over here to this area here, and you have to remove that connectors in order for you to swing it out here, and you're able to pop the fuel pump out of there. You also got to take the seats out. So you can see the seats are out. But yeah, let's disconnect this connector. And the way you disconnect it, there's a thing here holding onto it, and then the connector itself. So that being said, let's get it. All right, guys, with that cover removed, like I said, you don't have to take the whole connector out. You just got to loosen it to get some slack on here. And now we're gonna have to disconnect this hose here. Take that hose out of there. And then we're gonna take these bolts out, and then the unit should come out this way. We're gonna put some cardboard box here so we don't get any fuel in the area here. So yeah, let's get to that and take this pump out of here. Let's get it. All right, guys, once you take that hose, put it all the way down, and then remove those three nuts that are on there. Make sure you guys use something that has a magnetic end to it so you can catch them and they don't fall on you in the tank. Now we can expose the connector here to the pump. There's two connectors. One is ground, one is power, and this is the power wire. So we're gonna remove that nut. I think it's an 8 or a 7. Gonna remove that, and then we can slide out. Once we remove this nut, we can slide out the pump with the with this unit here, this hanger unit, and then we're able to like I said, replace the pump. So let's get it. All right, guys, so when you remove that, be careful not to drop. It's a 7 mil. And be careful not to drive this washer here into the tank, because then you're gonna be searching for it for a while. Our connector looks pretty good, but I'm still gonna clean up around it to make a better connection when we put everything back on. So yeah, we're gonna clean that up. We're gonna leave this hanging here for now. We disconnected the battery, of course, so we don't get any shorts or anything. But we're gonna just leave it here, and then replace that fuel pump. Let me show you guys what the fuel pump looks like. So there's the fuel pump, and now we just got to remove this hose here from here and get this thing out and put the new one in. Let's get it. Guys, so our new Delphi fuel pump is installed. Everything's secured. This nut here is a 8 mil. This one's a 7. And now we can install this back on the car and keep it going. Let's get it. All right, guys, so got the fuel pump back on. Everything's secured. There's another cover here that I'm about to put on real quick, and that's it right here. So this just goes on. There's like double-sided glue tape on there. So let's put this on and finish this job, and then put the seats in, and let's get it. All right, I put that cover back on, and now I'm gonna put this seat. It's like a padding for the back, and that goes right in there. So let's put that on. There you go, guys. That cover's on. There is 1, 2, 3, and then 4 bolts to hold the bottom part, and then there is 3 to hold the upper part. So it's a total of 7 bolts to hold the back seat, part of the back seat to the wall here. So we're gonna install the seat next. Let's get it. There you go, guys. Back seats are on. Now it's time to put the back seat on the bottom part on. Let's get it. All right, guys, so the back seat is on. Now time to start the car. Let's get it. All right, moment of truth. See if this thing starts with the new fuel pump. Boom. Started right up. Oh yeah. So now we gotta put the trunk back together, and then we'll be done. Let's get it. Hope you guys enjoy this video on how to install the fuel pump on a 95 Celsior, Toyota Celsior, and this goes with the Lexus LS400s as well. Same concept. So that being said, let's get it. Keep it warm, we're on the cars. Sheesh.